Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I want to begin by sending my thoughts and prayers to the families who are mourned, the loved ones who passed away during the extreme heat event that took place during the annual pilgrimage to Mecca just a few weeks ago. My heart and the hearts here in Richmond ache. I would like to take a quick moment of silence to honor their memory. Thank you. I want to thank you for this vibrant community being here in Richmond and for inviting me here today on this momentous occasion, the 74th annual Jalsa Salana. Let me continue giving thanks to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community for choosing the great city of Richmond to host this incredibly important gathering. For those of you with ties to Richmond, welcome home. And for those who traveled far away to be here today, welcome and enjoy all that our vibrant city has to offer. It says so much that Richmond, once the home of immense prejudice, can now host the oldest annual Muslim American convention in the United States. We were once known as the capital of the Confederacy and are now embracing our role as the capital of compassion. We took down monuments that represented division and replaced them with actions that showcase our collective strength and unity. Last July, we as a community, for the first time in our history, celebrated Muslim American Heritage Month. We have undergone a cultural renaissance here in the city of Richmond, and we are that much better because of it. You all have gathered here today in spiritual unity to reject hate in all of its forms, including Islamophobia, and instead promote love for all people. I am proud to stand with you all today in that purpose. And we've seen universal love in action just this past Thursday during the Jalsa Cares Day of Service, when volunteers from this community selflessly spent the entire day serving others. It was you who cleaned up our neighborhoods. It was you who donated food. It was you who gave blood that will help save lives. And it's actions like these that remind us of the profound impact that community can have in healing. Together, we can create a world where love overpowers hate, where peace overcomes turmoil, where the light of unity dispels the shadows of division. So I want to say thank you. Thank you for embodying that vision, and thank you for letting me be a part of this beautiful celebration. May we continue to have love for all and hatred for none. Thank you.